Welcome to our channel. If you need to check your Delta flight status using the mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions to stay informed about your travel plans. Step 1. Download and install the Delta Airlines app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices if you haven't already. Step 2. Open the Delta app on your mobile device. You can use the app without logging in to check flight status. Step 3. On the home screen, tap on the flight status option, which is usually displayed prominently at the top of the screen. Step 4. Enter your flight number or departure and arrival cities along with your travel date in the search fields provided. Step 5. Tap Search to retrieve the flight information from Delta system. Step 6. Review the flight details displayed, including departure time, arrival time, gate information, and any delays or changes. Step 7. For more detailed information, tap on the flight result to see additional details such as aircraft type, baggage claim area, and terminal information. Step 8. Enable push notifications in the app settings to receive real-time updates about gate changes, delays, or cancellations directly to your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.